Good morning folks, it's Simon with Rooting for the Planet, and already as you can see we've put in this bark mulch from the tree surgeons locally with cardboard underneath. That's going to keep the weeds down so my fruit trees can grow up nice and fine, but it also providing a nice environment for bugs, beetles, other creatures to get under there as well, and eventually those larger nettles which are causing a problem will grow through, and we'll just pull them out by hand with big gloves on. So that's that area. Petrol spinach has been eaten a little bit by slugs, but not badly. Fruits are doing fine, nothing new to say other than the grape really likes this. This black grape here is starting to use the tree, which is what I want it to do, and my white grape at the top of the garden is also using trees as a bit of a trellis. So we're going to see how that one gets on, but it's still growing lovely. So this is the area. Just excuse the apples on the ground there, windfall apples, which will go to the hens, and the dogs will eat them. So this was all bare earth because the hens have been on it this summer, and those big crates there, those big runs for them, and I'll leave them now for a few months. There's no infection builds up within them, and then this area here, which has had hens on it, won't have hens on it now until next year. All this area, and then all this grass will grow back through nicely because it's full of nitrogen, all that fantastic fertiliser the hens have put into the soil. And then the small orchard down this end, which has got a lot of weed underneath it and has been left to grow right through the spring and summer this year. I'm going to have the hens on here as well, so the hens will come in here, the nitrogen will help the trees, they'll get all this goodness out of the soil, and then I'm going to continue repurposing this pond, which needs extra work doing on it. It's a mess. It really needs some work down this bottom end. It's always the case, isn't it? The bottom end of a garden, always out of the way, out of sight, out of mind. I've got an old bed frame there, which I'm going to cut up for wood to be burnt on our log burner, and probably repurposed as edging in the garden as well. There's quite a lot going off. Lots of old pots that need tidying up. So there's quite a lot of. This is the first time I've showed it on my videos this year because I knew it needed quite a lot of work. That's going to be probably a hotbed bin, another one. And we'll pop down for a quick look at the seeds. I'm not going to uncover them, but you see how much sun it gets over here. The seeds down the bottom there and on the top. And then we're going to get some more. Move this pallet and we're going to get some more down here. So even with the pallet in the way, you can see it's getting sunshine. That should keep it nice and warm under there. And yeah, and then they'll go into the hotbed bins higher up the garden.